Partners in Think is a shared leadership consortium of the top manufacturing companies in the manufacturing industry. We work together to come up with customer solutions. So Think started out as a way to come up with better interfaces. Over time, that's really changed into true manufacturing technologies. Everything that a customer faces to be better productive, more profitable, be able to react to markets quicker, and we have partners within the consortium that can solve those issues. ESPRIT started in 2011. They've had a full-time engineer on site the entire time. Now they're up to 2, sometimes there's 3 or 4 guys here full-time, but they're constant available resource that's here at Partners in Think. The thing I really respect about ESPRIT is that ESPRIT develops all of their own posts. They control the post processors, so having engineers here on site, we know the people that are actually developing the code that's driving our equipment. So having them on site is a huge advantage for both companies, because as they're developing new software, new posts, and developing new innovations, they can actually test them out. They can wring out the software right here on the machines.
By having access to all of the equipment that Okuma offers, which includes their entire product line, everything from their mill turn to 5-axis machines, we can go out and access these machines anytime, which aids us in being able to build robust programming solutions. So having engineers that work directly inside of the Okuma facility in Charlotte is obviously advantageous to DP Technology, but it's also really advantageous to the customer.
So one of the key advantages of ESPRIT having engineers here is the teamwork that takes place between the ESPRIT engineering group and the Okuma application engineering group. You cannot have a team unless you are proximate. You have to be close by, you have to be working together. We have a great working relationship between the two companies, and we solve problems in the field, we create opportunities for customers working together with the same mindset. It's extremely important for us to have the working relationship that we've got with ESPRIT, because we've got a very trustworthy product. We have engineers that we work very closely with, and we've got a high confidence level with the software and the products that they provide our customer base. Okuma's mission is we passionately pursue a customer for life. So when we're working with customers, all customers have one very unique thing. Their value is really time. What they can do the most with their time gives them a competitive edge. So Partners in Think has a great group of partner companies that are all leading the way, leading technology into the manufacturing sector. So we're not reactive, we're not riding behind the wave. All these partner companies are bringing technology that's leading trends into modern manufacturing.